Hello and welcome to this Infinitely Virtual training video. In this video you will learn how to utilize your virtual power buttons with vCloud Director. To log into vCloud, open Internet Explorer or Firefox and navigate to https://vcd01.infinityvirtual.com/cloud/org/ and then your account number. Your account number is available from the Getting Started email and in the customer portal under Technical Contacts. Enter your username and password. Check Remember my username and password if required. Click Login. Click My Cloud. Click VMs, then select the required VM. Click the Actions icon. Power on will boot the virtual machine. Suspend will pause the virtual machine in its current state. It does not shut it down. Power off will turn off the virtual machine, and reset will restart the virtual machine. Next, we will look at managing the virtual power on your vApps. From the My Cloud tab, select vApps. Select the vApp that you wish to manage. Click the Actions icon. Clicking Start will start the vApp and power on the linked virtual machine. Suspend will pause the vApp and linked virtual machine in its current state. It does not shut it down. Stop will stop the vApp and shut down the linked VM. And reset will restart the vApp and linked virtual machine. In this section, we will look at virtual power management for your vApps. Select the vApp that you wish to configure. Click on the Actions icon. Click on Properties. Click the Starting and Stopping VMs tab. You may configure the order from lowest first to highest last. This may be used in cases where you want to power on your AD controller first, wait 120 seconds, and power on your Exchange server. When turning off, you may also configure a delay. Remember, when stopping the vApp virtual machines, turn them off in reverse order. Make the relevant changes. Click OK to save. For more information on virtual server hosting, Office virtualization, or cloud computing, please visit www.infinitelyvirtual.com.